Hi everybody and welcome to another After Effects tutorial. My name is Eitan and today I will be showing you how to make something sort of like this. Now you can use this effect on anything. You can do it like a face, you can make it go from the top to the bottom, you can really do this on anything. I just chose piano keys because, well, I just chose piano keys. Okay, so this is actually a really simple effect to make. Just make a new composition and drag in your footage. So I'm just using a picture. Let me scale that down. Okay, there. Have our picture of the piano. Let me bring that up to full. Okay, now I'm just going to make an adjustment layer and add on glow. Now, you might just want one of these if it's some types of stuff, and two if it's something else, and I'll explain that more momentarily. I just want to get all the effects on here, and then just delete this, go to expression controls, and bring on a color controller. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do just to sort of set up the effect is Alt-click on color A, and then Alt-click on where it says color control. Okay, now pick whip this over here, and then go to the other one, click on that to bring that up, and drag that over there. So basically this is linking these color values to this color controller. So now if you want to change the color, you can do that and it'll change it for all of them. If I want to make it blue, you can see that it makes all of those blue. So that's pretty cool. But now for the effect. So for glow 1, I'm going to turn down the threshold, turn up the radius, and what I'm trying to do here is sort of get it like to go around the keys. Maybe try, you can experiment with the different blending modes, all sorts of stuff. I like that though, so I think that looks pretty cool, so I'm going to leave it just like this. Now I'm going to go into the glow 2, and glow 2 I'm going to have for the keys, to try to get the keys to sort of glow. So yeah, this is sort of what I was looking for. There we go. And now we can change the color if you want. Make it whatever color you want. I think blue looks nice over here. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to do, select the adjustment layer, and if you want you can rename this glow and image. And if you want to, you can pre-compose this. So right click pre-compose, move all attributes into new composition, and now double click on that and you can put whatever you want here. So say yeah, I'm not gonna put anything else here, but this way you can just change your footage out. So now what we're gonna do is animate this. So I'm gonna take this rectangle tool. Actually, never mind. I'm going to do it a little more in the center. Okay. Just so there's not a hard border on that side. Okay? And go back to the selection tool. Now I'm going to hit F to bring up the feather properties and feather that a fair amount. Okay. Now hit P to bring up the position and set a keyframe there, and then move it back. You can make it taller too, that'll probably help. Okay. Now maybe by like 2 seconds, just bring it over, and you'll get something like this. So this really just depends on the settings that you do for the threshold. That's a huge part of it, like with stuff like that. You can really change the whole look of the effect if also you make it to bright, bring both down to 0. But I like this effect because if you set it right, it'll really work really well just on the outlines, and it'll look like it's almost seeing into it if you do this right. And I've done this with some stuff besides piano keys, and it's looked really cool. Anything where there are like lines, so if you were trying to do it to a face, I've done that, and that came out really well. So that's a cool way to use this effect. So thank you for watching this After Effects tutorial. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will try to answer them. And if you have any ideas for other tutorials, also put those down there, and if I know how to do it, I'll probably make a tutorial on it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.